bliss and so much love to you, my beloved reflections of the One, especially during these most potent and transitional times we as a collective are now going through. I chose to create this YouTube video in full alignment with the collective paradigm in this now. Do not let fear entrain within your subconscious mind. Do not entertain fear. No matter what you are going through in this ever prevailing now moment, know that this too shall pass. For everything is always in all ways working in divine order, timing, and alignment for you. Trust in the divine plan. It is in this now you are being guided. Guided to embody and fully acknowledge your divinity. The I am presence within and so without. Your imperishable Atman and innermost authentic self, your higher self, is ushering in with great power and force, igniting the totality of your sacred heart, anahata, true seat of spirit and soul, unionization and totality. You are here now, breathing this precious, most vital breath of life. This breath of life, life force, energy, Qi, Shen, Jing, ignites, animates, and sustains your human beingness and overall experience. If you are here now, breathing, listening to and tuning into this channeled transmission and light encoded, clearing, healing, activation, you have so very much to be grateful for. Revel and dance in the gratitude for the opportunity to be here now. The collective paradigm is shifting, and so too with it, you are rising, rising, rising. Once more into the brilliance and luminous nature of your inner, most authentic self and imperishable Atman we call the higher self. Know this. The ancients, your ancestors, who too walked this path of remembrance before you, they too now walk through you, working and living through all that you do. You see, you could never, ever truly be alone. You are always being guided, protected, and lifted up to the brilliance of your beingness. I just wanted to create a quick Reiki light encoded Kotodama sound healing to boost greater immunity and activation of profound, subtle body healing. Tune in and release all that you are not. Release the mental chatter centered around your current life situation. Release the mental chatter centered around the current collective paradigm and social memory complex. Release, release, release. You are aligned with the full spectrum harmonic codes of divine source light, and within this light you are protected and eternally guided. Spirit column, open, open, open. Spirit column, activate, activate, activate. Spirit column, awaken, awaken, awaken. I bless you with the violet flame of rebirth, burning away all that you are not in the light and acknowledgement of all that you have always been. I bless you with the violet flame of rebirth, burning away all that you are not in the light and acknowledgement of all that you have always been. I bless you with the violet flame of rebirth, burning away all that you are not in the light and acknowledgement of all that you have always been. It is in this now you are grounding back into your earthly body. You may now begin to wiggle your toes, move around your feet, rotate your ankles, move your legs and arms, move around your hands and fingers, and slowly, when you feel most ready, begin to open your eyes as you have grounded back into your earthly body. You have been tuning into the Quantum Hub, and we hold space for your grand rising.